Val's quick tips and tricks again, and today we are harvesting lots of bell peppers from a plant. I think this should be the third harvest. So lots of small ones. So here it is. So here we've got around 6 as of now, and we're going to make a nice dish with these. That's why we've taken out when it's a bit smaller. So we have 2 more bigger ones there also, right inside. So these are the ones we have harvested from this one plant of ours. So we have 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 here, and we're getting lots of chilies. Small, the long green ones, and also bhindis. So now we'll harvest from the other plant which is there. We have a couple over there also. Wow, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. One down there and 2 more down there, and that's the last one there. So we have around 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 from this plant, and now there are more flowers coming up, so there's going to be another harvest soon. So thank you. Here they are all there, ready to go into a dish. 19 of them all standing, placed like the Indian military.
So now let's make some stuffed capsicum. These are our homegrown capsicum. So I wanted to make something out of it. So I thought I will make a stuffed capsicum with a prawns keema, where I used Recheado masala. So for this also we need 1 tablespoon of that. So for that, now first you need capsicum. I have baby capsicum, and then we will stuff this inside this, our prawns keema, and then however you want to place it, that's up to you. So I have taken some onion rings and all, and I have just kept it like this, and then we will just fry it or saute it. I will show you. So you add a good quantity to this, okay, to all of this. How many you are going to make? So if you get baby capsicum, very good, or if you get the bigger one, then also it's fine. Whatever you have or whatever is available. So like this only you have to stuff. How much you want to stuff, it's totally up to you. Because we need to just saute all this in little bit of oil. So these are all ready now, and these are the side pieces of our capsicum. So we are going to saute this, or you can cover it also if you want to, but it's up to you how you want. Or you can saute it, whichever is best. It looks cute, but yeah. So let's fry this. So let's take 1 tablespoon of our Recheado masala. In that same pan where we had done our prawns keema. So take around 2 tablespoons of oil, and now in this we will add all our veggies and all. And saute them. With this masala. So once this is done, then we will keep this all on this. So these are all cooked, so no worries, we have to only just shallow fry them. Along with the flavors of our masala. So this is our dinner time. And we are going to have this with some bread. I'm going to munch it like this only. So now we will just cover this and leave it like that. And we will add little masala on these, very little. This masala is superb, tasty, easy for people who really don't have time to make. Try this. I will cover this and keep this for 10 minutes. Okay, so I will set a timer. "10 minutes" and it will be done. And here it is done. It's all cooked. Another 2 minutes are remaining. So hope you all will enjoy this quick dinner. Thank you so much. So done, 1 minute. The button is off. This is cooked. The color is changed. So enjoy your dinner or your quick bites, and easy for all the ones who had messaged me. This is the one which is very easy. Go and buy and keep it in your home. Very, very useful thing. Thank you so much. So let's serve now. The juicy one and enjoy.